Come join me on a tour of the 2023 Nissan Rogue SL. Welcome back, guys, to another video here at Cars Unlocked. Today I'm going to go through the 2023 Nissan Rogue, and with an MSRP of $40,998. You guys got to comment below, is this worth your dollar here? Little history of what's going on here, guys. Nissan redesigned the Rogue in 2021. In 2022, it saw a new engine. Here in Canada, we see a few added trim lines in this Rogue here. This is the SL, so they took that SV premium package that they had last year and just put it into the SL model. So let's start with the front end here. And when you look at the front end, the Nissan Rogue has this kind of square, bold, rugged styling. Our Nissan V-Motion grille is in chrome. We have the new Nissan emblem right on the front. And then we have things like forward parking sensors. Our headlights come, we have LED daytime running lights, and you can see this little LED strip here. Nissan has the automatic on-off high beam assistant. You have the auto headlights as well. Check out the side profile of the Rogue SL. This one's obviously in the black exterior. You have your rear privacy glass, you have your chrome roof rails, chrome window accents, and then you have your blacked out door handles, and you have this chrome side sill underneath. The mirrors have our LED turning accents on the mirrors, and there is a little camera right there, which we're gonna show you when we jump inside. That's for that 360 monitor that we're gonna show you when we turn it on. And let's look at these rims. You kind of have these two-tone 19-inch aluminum alloy rims here, and you have front and rear disc brakes as well. All season tires. This car comes all-wheel drive, so you should be able to push through whatever life's environment gets to you. Now let's check out the new power plant. As I said, last year in 2022, they took the 4-cylinder out of the Rogue and they added this variable compression turbo. So it's now a 1.5 3-cylinder engine. It's a direct injection turbocharged engine pumping out 201 horsepower and 225 pounds-feet of torque. That's going to translate into about 7.6 liters per every 100 kilometers combined on the highway, or about 33 mpg for all my American friends. Does come with a CVT. Nissan has said that they've improved the CVT. They made a few changes to increase the longevity and the lifespan of the CVT. Jumping inside, when you go up to this SL package, you get these leather appointed seats. So they're not the full like diamond stitching that you would get in the Platinum, but you do get this nice leather. Makes it easier to keep clean. Let's start it up here. You can start it up using the remote starter, or you can use the push button start. And there's my seat moving, because it does come with 2 memory positions for the seat. So perfect if you have multiple drivers. When you go up to the SL, you also get this 9-inch screen. So you get the larger screen in the SL. It does have this kind of tablet-like screen here. And you can do things like GPS navigation. So you have the mapping right on it. And you can put in your POIs, your points of interest, things like that. Very easy to do the mapping right on the screen. Radio comes with Sirius satellite radio or AM, FM, obviously. And you can also set up your Android Auto and your Apple CarPlay. Now this one being the SL, you get wireless Apple CarPlay with this. So if you don't want to be dinking around with your cord, you can use the Apple CarPlay, or you can just use the Bluetooth for your phone like a regular person. Camera, there's our front-facing camera. So it has a nice vivid camera on this 9-inch screen here. And when I put it in reverse, the backup camera comes on. You have the moving object detection, so it will notify you if someone comes through walking on a bike, or even another car is moving behind you. And there's your other angle there for parallel parking. On the interior, you get a lot of this nice gloss black finish. It's all throughout the interior. I love the redesign that they did in 2021, and they added this space under the center stack here. Have the square shifter knob, a few different drive modes. We have a snow mode, economy mode, sport mode, and then we have like a kind of off-road mode. Checking out the wheel, you have this leather wrap D-shaped wheel on this SL. Paddle shifters are behind. intelligent cruise control, and our Pro Power Assist buttons right on the wheel as well. And check out the sunroof. This is why you go up here besides going with one of the lower packages. You have this large panoramic moonroof, and it opens up. This front one will open up to the environment. You have a little wind guard up here. Really cool. It lets a lot of light into the vehicle. There's a few things I want to show you in the back seat. You get these nice little curtains here that can help protect your children from the UV rays. And then when you jump in here, it's kind of like a stadium style seating. So I sit above the front seat so I can see out and over and above the and out the windshield still. We have heated seats here as well. These two seats are heated. We have a USB, a USB-C, and I can also control the temperature back here. So really nice, customizable for your passengers. 2 cup holders in the center stack, and there's a cup holder in each door. I'm actually super happy that they added this divide and hide storage feature back into the Rogue. So you can kind of adjust these cargo area to store whatever you want. It's got 36 cubic feet of cargo capacity back here. And then the seats fold down. It's a 60-40 split for the seats. So we've talked about driving the Nissan Rogue on my channel a lot, and the Rogue has come a long way from those older models like those 2013, 2014 models. Then they went up to the different style in like the 2015, 16, and now they have this new style with this new engine, and driving the Rogue could not be better. When you're driving it, like this turbo, it does feel like it's not, as like I've said this before, it's not a fun car to drive, but it does get what you need to do. A lot of power when you're passing on the highway using the new turbo. Never do you have any hesitation when you're passing. The older models, if you had 5 people back here, you would know and you would feel how heavy the car felt. Now it just pushes quite through pretty well, and it does just keep on pulling you forward. So certainly like the improvements that they've made to the engines. And obviously you get all the tech. So let's talk about the tech. When you're going up to a $40,000 vehicle, you are approaching like infinity territory right now, but you get a lot of high-end technology. The Pro Power Assist is big. I love the Pro Power Assist on the highway. Helps keep you centered in the lane, and then it uses the intelligent cruise control to keep you a safe distance from the car in front of you. You also have the blind spot monitor and the lane departure warning, and it does have the lane departure intervention. So if you go to change lanes and someone's in your blind spot, it will kind of push you back in and it will vibrate the wheel so you know that maybe you shouldn't be changing lanes. So a ton of features. If you're looking for like comfort, the seats are really comfortable. This one's an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, so really easy on long drives. Really helps with the lumbar support and things like that. And then you also get the heated wheel. The wheel's a leather wrapped heated wheel, great for the winter time. I mentioned the remote starter, so there's a ton of features that I could go over here, guys. You just got to take one out and test drive one and see for yourself. And there you can see the camera here. As I'm approaching this, it's beeping at me. There's all our sensors as I'm parking the car here, and then when I put it in park, it shuts off. So you guys got to let me know, have you gone and test driven a Nissan Rogue before? Have you tried this new model? Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you have questions, just post them and we'll be sure to answer them for you. Have a great day.